Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to send a location as a message in Instagram. So let's begin. First, open up Instagram, the Instagram app like I have right here. Once you have it open, do you see the search, the search icon over here? Is this magnifier? Tap on that. And then when you tap on it, if you go on the very top, usually it will take you to this page where it says search on the very top. Tap on that. Now, search for a location. Let's say I come in a location like New York. Okay. And all the locations should have this little symbol. And these are the locations. And I can type New York, New York. This is the location, okay? To share this location now, do you see on the upper right hand corner? Do you see this paper plane or like an arrow pointing to the corner? Tap on that. And then it gives you the options of choosing who you want to send this to. And you see over here where it says search, tap on that search bar. You can go ahead and type in the name of the person or group that you want to send this location to. And then once they appear, tap on their name. The blue check mark means that you're sending it to them. And then the very bottom, click on where you can also add a message. Let me see, how can I undo that? So start by clicking the arrow, find the person. Okay, on the very bottom over here, you can also add additional message to send with this. So if I tap right there, say I want to go. Okay, once you have tapped the message, click on over here where it says send, or you can just leave that blank and go directly to clicking send. And I'll click on send, and there you go. That's how you can send a location as a message on Instagram. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.